Hello, and thank you for joining me today on Cuter Inky Chicks Online. This is Yvonne Cuter, and I'll be showing you today just a quick preview of the Zoom class that we will be having in October. The class itself will be on Saturday, October 29th at 11 a.m. Central Time in the U.S. And if you would like to receive the materials you need to complete the card and you have a U.S. mailing address, please RSVP by Friday, October 14th, 2022 at 8 p.m. Central Time. As you can see here on my display, I have some beautiful designer series paper. This is from the collection called Brightly Gleaming, which retired a couple years ago. I also have these wonderful Star Designer Series elements, or Star Designer elements. And the card will also feature the Pine Tree Punch and some Mossy Meadow cardstock, which you might want for the inside greeting on your card. The card itself is like this. And you can see here that the punched opening is matted and popped up on Stampin' Dimensionals so that you can see the designer series paper behind the opening. Now it's a little tricky to do, and that's why I'd be happy to walk you through that process when we have our class on Zoom. All of the details about the class and how to contact me are in the description box below. I hope you'll join us. Thank you for watching, and if you are a subscriber, thank you very much. I appreciate your support. Bye for now.